Changzhou Lvbao Electric Technology Company, Limited, established in 2010, is listed as a first-tier enterprise in the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, a high-tech enterprise in Jiangsu Province, and a private technology enterprise in Jiangsu Province. The company has obtained ISO 9001 International Quality Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certification. Lvbao Electric Technology is dedicated to the research and production of electric tricycles, electric garbage trucks, electric sweepers, electric floor scrubbers, and key components of new energy vehicles. As a technology-oriented manufacturing enterprise, the company covers an area of over 130,000 square meters and employs more than 100 technical personnel. The production equipment is advanced, the craftsmanship is exquisite, strict quality management is implemented, and comprehensive testing facilities are available. The company has production bases in multiple locations. As one of the advanced manufacturers in the industry, Lvbao Electric Technology covers 4 major manufacturing processes: stamping, welding, painting, and assembly. The company has first-class production lines and a diverse product range, with some products being officially announced by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, passing the National CCC Compulsory Certification, and obtaining EU EEC certification. The company looks forward to establishing long-term, stable, and harmonious strategic partnerships with customers through first-class products and quality services, contributing to the brilliant future of the electric vehicle industry. The corporate vision is to be environmentally friendly and benefit society, with the mission of manufacturing electric vehicles that people love to use.